Okay, so welcome now members. In this lesson today I'm going to see how we extract now the information from the question now to the graph. The other time we have been seeing when they are giving us the graph, then they ask us now we are going to see how we put the information from here, the graph. Okay, let us start. Mary left her home at 10 a.m. This is 10 a.m. to visit a friend 50 kilometers away. She walked 25 minutes in the first 2 hours, rested for 1.5 hours, and then completed the journey in another 1 3/4 hours. She spent 45 minutes with a friend and she went back and reached at 6 p.m. Draw a graph to show her journey. Okay, now if I say 2 centimeters to represent 2 centimeters to represent 1 hour, so from 10 to 11, 12 to 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m., 5 p.m., up 6 p.m. So this is the time. Always here we put time in hours. So this is our time in hours. Then here I'm going to put distance in kilometers. I'm seeing that the highest distance is 50 kilometers. That's why I'm ending. So here, for every 2 centimeters, I'm using 10 kilometers. So we are starting from 0. Always put here that I'm starting at 0, 10, 20, and so on. Then here I'm starting at 10. Okay, that's not the question. At 10 a.m., she had covered 0. Then she's visiting a friend this side 50 kilometers away. Then she walked 25 kilometers in the first 2 hours. So in the first 2 hours, from here, this is 1 hour. The second hour, she walked 25. So see that these 25 are going to be here. This is, if this is from here up to here, is from 10, 20 to 30, meaning the 25 is going to be here. So if I join, the 25 is here. This is my 25 from the first 2 hours. So for the first 2 hours, this is 1 hour, then these are 2 hours. So then they are going to be there together. So that's where the 2 hours and then the 25 here is 25. So meaning from here she was traveling there like this. So meaning I joined from there to here. Then they continued. She rested for 1.5 hours. 1.5 hours. So this is 1 hour now. She's resting after reaching 25 kilometers. She's resting for 1.5 hours. So this is 1 hour. Then half is going to be there. So here she's not moving. So this 1.5 hours from here, then she's not moving. That's why this distance is not increasing. So here she's resting. She's resting. We just put dash like that to show that she's resting for 1.5 hours. Then you join where that half will be. Like that. So she's resting there in that 1.5 hours. She's having a rest. And then completed the journey in another 1 3/4 hours. Let us see. Do that 1 3/4 hours. 1 3/4 hours is the same as 1 45 minutes, because 3/4 times 60 is giving us 45 minutes. So 1 1/4 is the same as that. Meaning, now, is here at 1/3. Here it's 1/3. So it's at 1/3. So if she completes the journey in another 1 45 minutes, meaning she's going to complete, when we add here, we have 5. Here we have 1 hour, so we carry 1 there. So this will be 15 minutes. So for the 15, if this is the middle, for 30, then 15 is going to be there. That's when she completed the journey. So meaning this 15 here is going to correspond with this 50 here. So this is going to be my 50 there, with the 15 there down. So the 15 here, and the 50 kilometers. Why am I saying 50? Because if she completed the journey, it means that she had covered 50 kilometers. So here. Now, I also join now from that point to here, I join those two. So that's her journey now. Then they are telling us that so that's it. This is what 3:15. Then they are telling us that she spent there 45 minutes. So if you add here 45, you get 0, 1 hour, then 0. This will be 4. So meaning she spent there up to 4 p.m. She's covering the distance here. So at 4 p.m., I increase there at 4 p.m. That's where our 4 p.m. is going to be. She was there up to 4 p.m. Then they're doing us that. And she went back home and reached at 6 p.m. So they are not telling us anything, but they're telling us that she reached at 6 p.m. So from here up to here, she reached home at 6 p.m. Then I went from here up to there at 6 p.m. So that's the graph for the journey as. That's how it was. I think then we come to our questions. To our question, they're telling us draw a graph to show her journey, that's her journey. Then calculate her speed back home. Her speed, it means that part B, along by number 1, speed is given by distance over time. So what is the distance? So from here up here, so that it's going to cover 50 kilometers. From here up to here, 50 kilometers. So our distance is 50 kilometers. Then what is the time? So it's that she covered from here up to here, from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. So time is going to be 6 p.m. minus 4 p.m., which is going to give us 2 hours. So that now our speed is going to be now the distance we did over 2, and the speed is going to be 25 per hour. So that is her speed. Then part B, her speed, average speed for the round journey. Then B, comment number 2, look at average speed is given by total distance over total time. Now our total distance, you know, she covered from here up to here 25, so we have this 25 plus. So this 25 from here up to here 25, here you had 0, then from here up to here, another 25. Because from here, if you are from 25 to 8 repeated, means that the distance you covered in between here is 25. Then from here she covered 0, then from here up to here, she covered 50 kilometers. Then plus 50 kilometers. They're all over. Now, from here up to here, she used the 2. She used the 2 hours. From here up to here, she used the 2 hours. Then, from here up to here, she used the 1 and 15 minutes. From here up to here, they told us she used the 3 and she used the 3.7 hours. I mean 1.75 hours. 75 hours. Then plus, because they told us that she used 3 and a quarter. 3 and a quarter, that's 7.5. Then from here up to here. Then from here up to here, she used 2 hours. Then plus this 2, and this will be 100 over 5.75. So when you press that on the calculator now to get the average speed, the average speed is going to be the average speed is going to be 17.4 kilometers per hour. That's her average speed. So that's how we handle that, members. I wish you the best.